My room is a mess. Hi! So hey, if you're new to this channel, dami nanonood. I really should have a script before I film a video. So what did you think of my milestone cards? I can't hear you. I am so sad. I don't have any viewers, but who cares? Hi, it's Icy and welcome to my little creative space on YouTube where I post calligraphy and bullet journal videos. How's that for an intro? So I just finished doing these watercolor milestone cards for one of my really good friends at work who's gonna be having a baby next month or in a few weeks. So watercolor brush lettering is something that I recently picked up at one of my calligrabesties workshops called Anyone Can Do Brush Lettering with Watercolors by Vanessa Opazo. So if you're in Sydney and you're thinking of something creative to do, she hosts online watercolor brush lettering classes which are really amazing. I'll leave the link to that workshop in the description below. So a little bit of a shameless self-promotion. I also host modern calligraphy workshops. Whether you're using a pointed pen, brush pen, or an iPad, I'll leave the link to those workshops in the description below and hopefully I'll see you guys there. Anyway, I did a little process video of how I did these watercolor milestone cards. I'll be showing you the materials that I've used and you'll see how I did the lettering and the little watercolor splashes. happy with how everything turned out. I'm really happy with the little watercolor swashes here. And I love how the different colors, what's the word I'm looking for? And how the colors amalgamate. What? Big word! How the colors mix together when you add water, and I just love that about watercolor brush lettering. I really enjoyed making these watercolor milestone cards, and I really love how they turned out, and I'm very excited to give this to my friend and maybe possibly sell these in my future Etsy shop in the future. So if you've made it this far, so I doubt people will make it this far, but if you did, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, check out my other calligraphy and bullet journaling videos, and I would appreciate it if you subscribed to my channel, and let's be friends. Keep safe always, and if you want to keep in touch with me on social media, I'll leave my Instagram and website and Facebook in the description below, and see you in the next video.